Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and a brand new video. Today's project will be planting out an old bird bath which previously had pansies, and the garden bed here at the front of the house, south facing, which had a planting of Laurentia star blue flowers, which are Australian and New Zealand natives. The pansies that were in here previously have been removed, so before I go and add the new plants, I'll be adding some slow release fertilizer and cow manure. And we'll be adding some Petunia Galaxy flowers, which will add a vibrant colour to this spot here. Hope you agree that looks great. We'll be back in a few weeks just to monitor its progress and see if there are any flowers. I'm going to do the same with this bed as well. Only difference here is we need to remove the old foliage, so out with the old and in with the new. What you can see here is that the soil is quite hydrophobic, so what I've added is some dishwashing liquid. Normally I would use a commercial garden wetter soil, but when it's not available, a laundry detergent or dishwashing liquid will suffice. So what we'll be planting in this bed, I've got 6 plants of each, is some dahlias, and these grow to about 25 centimetres tall. The other plant I'll be putting in today, again the 6 of each, is Ganzia, and these two grow to a height of 25 centimetres, so I think alternating between the two it'll be quite spectacular in colour. I think that looks great. I haven't put too much mulch in this bed because it naturally had quite a bit of coarse material there. There's a little bit of hint I got for you as well. When you dig out some old plants and you've got an old root ball, if it's still got some of the old fertilizer or slow release fertilizer that it probably got there when either I added it in or it came from the plant breeders, I just usually shimmer that around, break it all up. There's no point wasting that and throwing it into the bin. You might as well get the benefit of that into the plant. So that's what all those orange yellowy dots are. That is the fertilizer that was attached to a pansy plant that I've ripped out. So again, I'll be back in a couple of weeks just to revisit it and see what it looks like. So if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button and send me any comments that you may have. Thank you.